Yeah, river, yep. Nice. Nice design. I like that. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Yes, sir. How you doing, man? Your name and full run round.
My name's Ted. I've got 6 DC level 410s on the Ampere Audio 5K, 2 AGMs, and then the AGM under the hood on stock electrical right now. But the electrical's in the workings. Actually threw this together in a week. So I started this build Monday because I didn't even know that they were having Sundown. Okay. But it's tuned to 28 hertz.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, it likes low.
And you got your back seat still?
Yeah, okay. I can fold them up. They're perfectly fine.
Sweet, looks good. How is your have you metered it yet?
No, I got an SSA meter and it did a 149.6.
Okay.
At 40 hertz.
40 hertz. Got it. All right.
But it likes to dip down in the upper 20s.
Does it? Okay. Nice. All right.
And the mids and highs is all factory, except for it's got the Boston acoustic door speakers.
Okay.
And then PRV tweeters in the dash, and it's all ran off the deck.
Yeah,
Productions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I would like to see everything.
Let me pull up a little bit. It's a river back there. Baby, can you move the 10 over here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull up.
Wow.
It's a river back there.
That's I understand.
Just pull the thing out.
That was great, Ted. Thank you.
No, it's gonna pull up. Pull the thing out. No, baby, the case, the tire. I was gonna throw that around the diesel too. That's a river, man.
Yeah, river, yep. Nice. Nice design. I like that. Thanks for showing me, man.
Oh, no problem.
This is a quad baffle.
Yeah.
Wow. And, oh, I see, because you got it countersunk too. Okay.
It's countersunk 2 layers. It's 2 layers of subs and then it's 2-layer recess.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, man. Nice to meet you again, Ted. Have a good day. All right. That's great, and compact space.
Yeah.
Utilize your motor force for the cone area and the
Yeah.
space. So I like that. That's really good, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo. What
Oh,
was
no
your name?
problem. TJ. or
TJ. Ted. All right.
Ted.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.